Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh. In this video, we are going to talk about SQS pull-based mechanism. We already discussed about how consumer is going to pull message from the queue, but we need more clarification about it, and that's why I have this video. So let's start. I'm going to start with introduction. SQS works on pull-based communication model. This means SQS does not push messages to the consumer. Consumer must request means pull messages from the SQS. Here I have diagram. It is little bit different than the previous one. Producer is going to push message into the queue. But keep this in mind, queue is not going to push this message to the consumer, right? Consumer is going to pull this message from the queue, right? This is what we call it pull-based mechanism. Now, let's understand what does pull-based mean. The queue just stores messages. The queue never sends messages on its own, means it is not going to push this message to the consumer. Consumer keep asking, do you have any message for me? So consumer is going to the queue and it is requesting, do you have any message that I can process or proceed? So consumer is going to the queue and it is asking, do you have any message that I can process, right? Now this is called polling. Polling means consumer is going to contact queue and then asking for the message to process, right? Now we will talk about polling in upcoming days as well, because there is a long polling, there is a short polling as well. But right now you just need to understand that in the pull-based mechanism, what is the role of polling? Okay. Now, important rules on pull-based mechanism. You need to remember this. Okay. First, multiple consumers do not pull same message. First of all, you need to digest this. You may have multiple consumers. Look at this. In this particular diagram, I have three consumers. It can be EC2 instances, it can be Lambda. Let's say that I have high availability requirement and I have multiple EC2 instances into the different availability zone. Or you may have multiple Lambda functions for the load balancing. So you may have multiple consumers. Okay. That's the first thing that you need to remember. Now, if you have multiple consumers, then